Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening the terminal and confirming your environment so commands behave predictably. Once open, check which shell you're running and ensure path includes common binaries. This prevents surprises when commands aren't found. Now run the package list update with sudo apt update or your distro equivalent to sync repositories. After that, test a simple command like lslat in your home directory to verify output and permissions. This verifies the terminal is ready for real work. Once done confirming basics, focus on manipulating files and processes. You'll navigate with cd and verify location with pwd. Use lslat to inspect permissions and hidden entries so you don't overwrite important files. To edit, choose an editor, Nano for speed, Vim for control, or use redirection for quick writes. For runtime management, list processes with psaux or top, then gracefully stop one with kill PID or force with kill -9 only when to finish, make your routine repeatable. Add aliases and functions to bashrc or zshrc and put small executables in ~bin to keep commands consistent. Once done, automate repetitive tasks with cron or systemd timers so you reduce manual steps. Test scripts interactively before scheduling. If something breaks, inspect logs in /var/log and run journoctl-z for systemd services to see errors and timestamps. Tip: if permissions block you, confirm ownership with lsl and use sudo sparingly to avoid hidden mistakes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.